Okay, found two more dead lines. So there's a bunch of dead lines. Replace these two RAM. Replace those two. You ready for this? Stability. Woohoo! First time, baby. Yeah, still got the other faults though. No sound, bad graphics, flickering graphics. So we've got a fault on both layers here. See how that is flickering? Hang on. So that's flickering. That's probably this chip here, or one of these RAM. And the jail bars will be either these ROM or this chip faulty. And the sound's totally dead. But it's pretty fucking close, that, isn't it? Should hope so for the time I've spent in it already. I was on it all night last night. Anyways, I'll have a break from it now. I hope these aren't bad, but it looks like